Hi everyone! Today I will going to talk about Beta Canis Majoris. Beta Canis Majoris has another name which is known as Mirzam, also spelled as Mirzam, like Murzim. Mirzam is the fourth brightest star in Canis Major constellation, the larger dog. Mirzam's Arabic name means that the star is the herald of brilliant Sirius, as Mirzam rises first at magnitude 1.98. Mirzam appears relatively dim compared to Sirius. But in fact, Mirzam is by far the more luminous of the two. Its 500 light-years distance is 60 times greater than Sirius's distance. If Mirzam were at Sirius's distance, it would shine almost 15 times more brightly than Venus. Mirzam is a very hot blue class B12 bright giant with a temperature around 25,800 degrees Kelvin. Much of its radiation is therefore produced in the ultraviolet. With this taken into account, Beta Canis Majoris has a luminosity 34,000 times the Sun's, nearly 1,300 times that of Sirius. Mirzam's temperature and luminosity indicate a mass around 15 times the Sun's. Mirzam is very close to the point of finishing its core hydrogen fusion. While Sirius will eventually evolve into a white dwarf, Mirzam seems to have sufficient mass for it to explode someday as a supernova. That's scary, isn't it? Let's back to the star Sirius. Sirius will become a white dwarf because Sirius doesn't have enough gravity and mass to explode as a supernova. But I have talked the mass about Mirzam. The mass of Mirzam is way massiver than the Sun, includes the dog star Sirius, so it couldn't be a planetary nebula. It could only be a supernova. Even when it's getting older, it will become a massive white dwarf. If it isn't a massive white dwarf, it might become like a neutron star. Mirzam is the brightest of beta Cepheid variables. In fact, the class is also called the Beta Canis Majoris variables. Its instability is related to the cessation of hydrogen fusing in its core and the corresponding changes in its internal structure. So, its 10% variations between magnitudes 1.95 and 2, even more, are too feeble to see with the naked eye. They are extremely complex and have multiple periods. The three strongest are about 6 hours. Mirzam lies near the far end to the local bubble, a sort of cavity where in the interstellar medium is especially and hot and thin. Its light is used as a background to study the thin gas of interstellar space. I think you guys right now already know the 4 major stars from Canis Major constellation. You guys are so lucky that you know VY Canis Majoris, because VY Canis Majoris is the largest one that is very famous from Canis Major constellation. And Sirius A, the brightest star from the night sky, that's very important to know, and you are able to find the star in January so much. But right now the star Beta Canis Majoris is Mirzam. This star is also very easy to find because the star isn't that far away from us. It will shine even brighter than Venus. So I think you guys able to see the star in the night time. Alright guys, hope you like my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your friends. Bye, have a nice day.